Today we are doing just a little bit of prep work inside, just slicing up some onions and peppers because we're gonna make Blackstone onions and peppers. That's right, we're going outside, we're gonna griddle them all up. They're gonna get a little caramelized, delicious, have a lot of flavor, and then you could do just about anything you'd like with them. I love making griddled quesadillas, griddled smash burgers. If you haven't checked it out yet, go find the Philly cheesesteak smash burger recipe on Sip Bite Go. It is so good! But anyway, I digress. My husband is looking in at me through the window, wondering why I'm yelling. Water.
A little water.
Well, enjoy your Blackstone griddled yummy onions and peppers on anything. Check out the Philly cheesesteak burger from Sip Bite Go. Cheers!